Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to clear your browsing data from your Google Chrome and also from your Microsoft Edge without wasting much time. Let's go straight to it. Want to go to your Google Chrome on the top right here? Select the three dots, History left, click on History. On the left side of your screen, you want to select Clear Browsing Data Left. Click on that. This pops up. And here what you have here at the top part is all time. If you open this gives you a chance to actually choose the last hour, last 24 hours, 7 days, or last for weeks. But here we just select all time. You select all time. It's going to glare all the browsing data regardless of the time. Before we do this, let me show you the advanced shown here. Then you see this password and order signing data. So when you check on this, it's going to delete all your passwords that has been saved on your browser. All right? But I'm not going to do that now. I'm going to uncheck it. Similar with the autofill form we all encounter when you're retyping on your browser and suddenly it brings out your details. When you select this, it's going to clear off all your details that has been stored on your browser. But I'm not doing that now, so I'm just going to uncheck that and we go back to the basic. All right, then all you have to do is to select Clear Data. If you go back here, you see that this place is empty. Your browsing history appears here. So that is it about the Google Chrome. Now we're going to go ahead and close this. And we go to Microsoft Edge. Similarly, we're going to go to the top right, select this history. Go ahead and left, click on History up there. As you can see, again, we have the list of all our history here. Whatever you've searched, whatever you've watched, everything comes stored in your history here. Now you're going to go up here this time and select Clear Browsing Data. All right, as we did before in Google Chrome, this is just about a similar thing. Okay, and here we have the password and autofill down here, just like I mentioned earlier. So we leave it as it is all time and we're just going to select Clear Now. And if we look back again, you're going to see that this place is empty, which means all history has been cleared. To add to these guys is very important to clear your browsing data often because it's good for your safety, your privacy. And also you clear a lot of junk files and cache files from your browser, and it improves the general performance. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you've not subscribed to our channel, you can go ahead and do so. Remember to like and also turn on the notifications so you get notified when we post content like this. Thank you very much and have a nice day. See you in the next video.